Welcome to my video, the top 5 AI tools for YouTube growth. So what I'm going to do in this video is obviously I'm going to go over the 5 top YouTube tools for YouTube growth. And I'm going to tell you, 1 through 5, what each tool or who each tool is best for. Like what, if you're trying to build a business on YouTube and grow your channel, I'll let you know this tool is better for this. And if you're a beginner, just want to do some minor video edits, I'll let you know that this tool is the best for you, so on and so forth. If you want to get my full guide where I go in depth on all these AI tools, where I go in and I teach you a bunch of video editing tricks inside the PDF. There's also a 1-hour video where I show you from start to finish how to create undetectable content using ChatGPT that ranks. So you're going to want to get your hands on that. Links to all these tools and my free PDF are going to be directly below in the video description box. And I'll go over that my free PDF a little more at the end of this video. So with that being said, let's dive into the top 5 AI tools for YouTube growth. First one on my list, and we're going to put a number 1 here. And I'm going to tell you who this is the best for. Right here you go, number 1. Flexclip. Now this is best for beginners who just want quick video edits. I use this for a lot of stuff. I do a lot of good intros and outros using this tool. I use this one right here. Huge fire explosion. You just click it. And let's see. Let's get rid of this real quick. And then I'll show you. Here we go. Here's one of the intros here. Very cool. But I created like these. I'll show you this one. I'm going to go over the features real briefly. But you can do a lot of stuff with this. You can do green screen. You can do effects. Basically whatever you want to do. And I do have a video on Flexclip. You can look that up on my YouTube channel where I go in depth on Flexclip. But we're going to go back here, because I don't want to go through each individual tool. Like I said, get your hands on that PDF. You'll learn more about each one of these tools. You got an AI video generator option, AI auto subtitles, AI text-to-speech, AI translator, AI video script. You can record your own voice. You can also record your screen or your webcam. There's also literally hundreds of templates you could choose from. As you can, I'm scrolling down here, and it keeps going and going and going. So you're going to have a lot of different options with this particular AI video editing tool or software. So this is definitely best for beginners. It's real easy to use, and it's going to have most of what you want, if not all of what you want. The only thing it is lacking is if you want to create your own, AI model of yourself. Basically, you're talking like an AI character, and I'll show you a company that does that. But other than that, it does everything. So Flexclip's awesome, and it's perfect for beginners. All right, let's move on to number 2. The second one on the list is going to be right here, and it's called Submagic. Now, this is specifically, here's number 2. We're going to put this up. We're going to get rid of these, and we're going to draw number 2 here instead of putting those little dots. Number 2, Submagic. As you can see, you can create viral shorts in seconds with AI. Submagic is the simplest video editor for creating short-form content 10 times faster, designed for creators, teams, and agencies. And we're going to scroll down here. Google, Trustpilot. And it's got AI-powered features, description, zoom, sound effects, music, B-rolls, dynamic captions and emojis, faster text-based trimming, streamline collaboration. And you can see some samples of like top influencers that use Submagic and what it does for their channels, basically. And this one is best for, let's go to the pricing. This one is best for if you're just creating like TikTok videos, short TikTok videos or YouTube shorts, and you're concentrating a lot of your efforts, your video editing efforts just on that, or a majority of your time on that, this is definitely a must-have. If you're not, you're creating long-form videos, You can go without this and get one of the other ones, or you can do both. But if you're creating a lot of shorter videos, this is a must-have. This is the pricing on it. $14 for starter, and then you can see what you get here. $34 for growth, $90 a month for business, and you could pay yearly as well. Then they got monthly plans as well. So Submagic is really awesome. It's a really good AI video editing tool for YouTube creators. Next one is, let's go to the next one. This is one of my favorite, and it's not too expensive. And it is called TubeBuddy. I've been using this for a long time now. And we're going to put a number 3 here real quick. And we're going to go over TubeBuddy. Actually, we're going to get rid of this. And then put a number 3. So we all know what we are, where we're at in the list. All right, TubeBuddy. And then they also got a Legend license, an upgrade. This is pretty cool. I haven't used this part yet right here. Bulk editing tools are essential to any creator trying to scale. Now our Legend users get 5 uses a month. Update your info across all videos in just a few clicks. Real time saver there. But what this does basically, let me see the features. I could tell you off the top of my head, but it'd be better if I showed you. I don't want to get into a long video. I'm going to do a review on this shortly. And like I said, go to that PDF and you'll learn more about this. Parts that I haven't covered in this video. We're going to go back here. And we're going to go over some of the features. You got bulk tools, channel optimization, SEO and ranking, data and analytics. Basically, off the top of my head, without showing you one of these videos, here we'll go to my channel real quick. You can create YouTube thumbnails with that real easily with TubeBuddy. You can create, there's an option where you can, if a title's not converting well, you can change the title to something that might convert better. And there's also a testing feature when you test 2 different titles against each other. There is, you could put all your keywords in. They're already picked from your video. All you got to do is hit the button. That's a huge time saver. All the tags for your YouTube video. There's just so many different variables. You can see it right here. I got the Pro license right now. I had the upgraded one earlier. I went down to just the Pro for right now. But the other one I had is actually a little better. But this is good for me for right now. But you got quick links, extension tools, Keyword Explorer, SEO Studio, tag list, best time to publish, click magnets, suggested shorts. So it'll take some of your long form content and then tell you which one of your videos is performing the best and it's holding the most engagement and in what time of the video. So you got a 5-minute video and then that particular video has the most engagement between 1:30 and 1:45. It'll tell you that. And then you can create a short for that 15 seconds to get more views on your videos. So ton of options with this. It's real helpful. It's a huge time saver. So you can create titles. You can basically do everything. It tells you where you rank, like your YouTube videos rank as far as SEO goes, which is really cool. So all your tags, it'll tell you where you're ranking. It'll tell you how well your videos are optimized. It basically does everything, and it's a good price for it. So it's basically the Swiss Army knife for YouTube creators. It's called TubeBuddy. Highly recommend it. These are the pricings. And then per year, you got a 50% discount right now going on. And if you can afford the Legend, if it's 50% off, I'd go with the Legend because you get access to all 50 tools, unlimited search rank optimization and tracking, A/B split tests and title generators, predictive analytics and competitor scorecard, unlimited access to all our AI features. So this is a good deal, especially when it's half off. So go with that. Link below. And that's TubeBuddy. Number 4, we're going to go over to, this is one of my favorites. And we're going to go over here. What we're going to do is get rid of these real quick. My pen drawings, my art that looks like a little kid wrote. And we're going to go over to make number 4 here. And this is called INVideo. INVideo AI. Number 4. And I'm going to try to label these as I did in the video directly below in the video description box for your convenience. So this has one thing that the other one didn't have, which is the first one on the list, Flexclip, and it's got AI talking avatars. So you can create a realistic video of a human presenter without any video production. Choose from preset avatars or create your own. Simply input a few images in either text or an audio file, and it magically create your talking avatar. And here's some of the features. You got a YouTube video editor, slideshow maker, AI talking avatar, AI script generator, AI text to video, AI video editor, AI video generator, AI faceless video generator, AI voice generator. So there's a couple more add-ons in this over Flexclip. So, but I like Flexclip a lot. Like I said, Flexclip is perfect for beginners. But if you need if you want an AI talking avatar or an AI faceless video generator, these are two features that Flexclip does not have. So that's something to keep in mind. But this is a very popular tool. It's called INVideo. Here's the pricing so you can kind of compare. Pretty cheap. $20 a month for the plus. And you can check this out for free. Just check out a link below and you can try it out for free if you want. And then you max for growing and established creators. And this is what you get in each plan. And you can compare all your features. But INVideo is better for somebody who's a little bit past the beginner stage, I would say, that wants to take the grow their YouTube channel. And say you want to make, if you do faceless YouTube videos, which I do a lot of. I've been in a few videos here and there, but I do a lot of faceless, screen tutorials. So if you want to have an actual talking avatar that kind of resembles you to put in your videos, this is a good tool to have to do that because they're very realistic. And this is an awesome tool. Like I said, I got a couple more tools that Flexclip is not going to have. So awesome tool, and that is number 4 on my list. Now we're going to go over to number 5. Last but definitely not least. So we're going to go over to number 5 here. And this one is right here. Not directly related to, let's get rid of this again. My beautiful artwork. And here, let's do a pencil here again. Do number 5. Definitely last but not least. Now this is an awesome product. Now if you're trying to build an actual business with your YouTube channel, which most of you are, then you're going to want to learn how to do funnels. Because funnels is going to be the bread and butter of your business. And these two are going to teach you how to do that. And they're both multimillionaires. You can Google them. This guy's the creator of ClickFunnels. He's made, right here. This is the creator of ClickFunnels. And this guy, I'm not too sure about him, but I know he's an e-com expert. I'm not too much into e-com, so I wouldn't probably know him. But he's an e-com expert right here. But both these guys have made millions of dollars. And this guy, Russell, here, is going to, let's get this off so I can scroll down here, is going to teach you the free funnel away challenge. We'll show you how to build sales funnels that convert. ClickFunnels is the number one tool to make it happen. Right now you can test drive it for 90 days for $100. So you're getting to try out ClickFunnels, which is an easy way of putting together funnels that convert. It's got all the tools that make this. It's going to save you massive amounts of time and have you making money sooner, a lot sooner rather than later, of you doing this, trying to figure this all out on your own. So for $100, I mean, you're going to get training, and you can watch this video on the site. You're going to get training from these two, millionaires. They're going to teach you how to build, we'll show you how to build sales funnels that convert. And then you're going to get access to the actual ClickFunnels for 90 days, all for $100. And then here's Russell Brunson right here. I will teach you how to find your voice and share your message with the world. He's the CEO. Let me get rid of this real quick. He's the CEO, and I'm looking at this part right here, of ClickFunnels. He's going to teach you how to find your voice and share your message with the world. CEO and co-founder of ClickFunnels, which grew to 100 million within the first 3 years. Helped over 2,331 plus entrepreneurs get their 2 award club. That's impressive. Coach to 7, 8, and 9-figure expert entrepreneurs and business owners. He's going to be teaching you. That's the kind of guy you want, showing you how to build profitable funnels that grow your business and make your business money. Second guy, Trey Llewellyn. He's an e-com expert. So if you're doing e-com, this is the guy you want to listen to. You're going to learn from both these guys. Fastest growing 2 club ever with his e-com business. Sold millions with e-commerce in the last 5 years. Expert on leveraging funnels and continuity for e-commerce businesses. So you're actually gonna get a choice to join between one or the other. You can join the e-com one, learn from him, or you can join the expert edition and learn from Russell Brunson. Take your pick. And for $100, you're getting 3 months, like I said. ClickFunnels for 90 days. You're getting the One Funnel Away Challenge, e-com and expert pass with Trey. I guess you're getting both of them with Trey Llewellyn and Russell Brunson. You're getting both of them. Weekly live calls with Trey and Russell, never done before. Wow, that's crazy. Free bonus, access to Fill Your Funnel Challenge to learn how to start attracting organic traffic for free. You're getting a bunch of cool stuff. And this guy is very well known. Russell Brunson is super well known. And he probably is too. Like I said, I'm not too into e-commerce. So I don't know who he is. But obviously somebody's generating. He's made millions in e-commerce in the last 5 years. So. And this is what this is going to do. And this is called the One Funnel Away Challenge. Link will be directly below. This will be number 5 on the list. If you're trying to grow your business and actually make a lot more money with it, and you're trying to put together a sales funnel, spend $100. It's nothing. If it's going to make you a lot more down the road, and $100 is nothing. It's like going out to dinner and a movie, even if you can get that nowadays. So it's a good, and plus you're going to get 3 months to try out the tool to see how well you like it. So you got everything to gain and nothing to lose. Be learning from 2 multimillionaires. So you can't beat that. So with that being said, these are my 5 top AI tools for YouTube growth. Links will be directly below for all these 5 tools. And what I'm going to do to end this video, I am going to show you my free giveaway that's going to go more in depth on a lot of these tools so you can make a more educated decision. If I didn't cover, I know this video was kind of brief. I was going over each one separately. So I didn't want to go into in depth on each one of these tools too much. But grab my free PDF. And where's that at? We're going to find it here real quick. And that's going to be right here. We're going to get rid of this. Instantly create jaw-dropping YouTube videos with AI. Free PDF of the top secrets. You can see it right here. You're also going to be getting a 1 hour right here. An AI video masterclass. Transform your content with insider secrets in record time. Get 1 hour of jam-packed insider tips and strategies with AI writing secrets exposed. Creating irresistible content with ChatGPT that ranks and tricks all AI content detectors in the process. So very good video. It's a lot of great content packed in there. So pick it up. So you're going to get the PDF and the video absolutely free. Link will be directly below. So it'll be the first link. And then my 5 tools will be right underneath it. As in 1 through 5 as I laid them out in this video. So if you enjoyed this video or if you have any questions, shoot me a comment in the comments section. Hit like on this video. I'd appreciate it. And subscribe to my YouTube channel for all future video updates. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.